Now I want to refine the text. I want to have the quote in a separate frame. So I'm cutting out, pasting here. I will manage later. Okay, this is the very last piece of text I will manage later. Okay, so here I have this guy. I want to be aligned to the margin today. I want to have this to stay here. And also I also want to see the hidden character here. I'm not happy with this end of paragraph. And also, just to remind you, just to remember, take rid of all those end of paragraph. You want to have the hashtag as the very last hidden character at the end of the paragraph. You really want, like, probably this page is getting too much. There is too much thing running here. By mistake I moved this image, so probably it's a good idea to click on this box, click on this blue square here, and to drag this guy up and lock all the other stuff here, so I can click in here without affecting anything. Okay, but yes, I have to unlock because I have to get also these two guys. Click, drag up, and close it. Okay, modern witches. Modern witches, let's see, is too large, so I can command and shift and make it smaller. Okay, maybe I will keep like this. Probably neo-baroque should be a little more light because it sounds to me not easy to be read. And then for this guy here, I have like another idea. I want to make like a special container, a special background. I will do, okay, something like this. Click and drag. Make this no border, but black background. And then again, I want to take advantage of the selected thing. I'm getting the white arrow. I click on the very corner. You can notice this is very little, but this is red and those other corners are white. So I can click and drag and change a little the shape of this. In reality, I want to have this girl on top of this. So maybe it's a good idea if I create another layer and then I unlock the blue layer, I click on the image and drag this lady on the very top like this, lock this, and then I can work on layer 2. And then with this guy, it is below the black box, so bring to front. Maybe this figure here is too large, so I can unlock this layer, holding down Alt and Shift. I can make her smaller. Okay, let's see how it look like. Probably, okay, I can click. Probably this text can be a little bigger. Okay, magic, I don't like. Okay, and probably I can raise this guy up, and then I can make also this text. Let's do like a paragraph style, so I can manage this more easily. New paragraph style, inside page body text. Okay, inside page body text, and also for this guy here. So in case I change something, I will change to both. For example, probably I will love to have this with a little more leading. And then I go back to the part, this is the plus symbol, but then I can ask to redefine style and everything gets updated properly. Okay, and about this, again, I need to change the shape of this box. This is the common mistake, all the corners are selected, so I cannot just change one. I need to deselect and then click exactly on the corner I want to move. One here and one here to be more or less parallel to the, okay, I like this better. Okay, I also want to remove the eye finish. It's here, but also in case you can change from the style option. Oh, that's a mistake. This should be in English. Eccolo qua, sillabazione. I finish. No, I finish. Okay. Okay, this is the thing. Let me see. Oh, this is out of the. That's why it was like so. Okay. Let's take a general look. Here we go. This is the page. Maybe this is a little too much close to the text. I want like extra distance. Okay, and this is the page number 2, all set, all done.